Hello, I have this beautiful Prolana premium yarn. It's a mixed wool with other fibers and it's super soft. Instead of knitting with 2.5 or 3.5 millimeter needles, I wanna make this crochet Solomon stitch scarf. So I like those colors together. They look very pretty. So very pretty colors. I like how the yarn colors gradually change. I want to use this yarn for my spring scarf, and I want to crochet this scarf using Solomon stitch. The other name for Solomon stitch is a love knot. So it's just extending single crochet stitches and connecting them together to make that love knot or Solomon stitch. The yarn is very beautiful. So see you later with the update. Happy crocheting!